May I sleep in your barn tonight, mister? It's so cold lying out on the ground, and the cold north wind is a whistling, and I have no place to lie down. I have no tobacco nor matches, and I'm sure I can cause you no harm. I would tell you my story, kind mister, for it runs through my heart like a storm. It was 3 years ago, just last summer. I shall never forget that sad day when a stranger came out from the city and said that he wanted to stay. Now the stranger was fair, tall, and handsome, and he looked like a man who had wealth, and he wanted to stay in the country, so he wanted to stop for his health. One night as I came from my workshop, I was whistling and singing with joy. I expected a kind, hearty welcome from my sweet, loving wife and my boy. But what did I find but a letter? It was placed in my room on the stand, and the moment my eyes fell upon it, I picked it right up in my hand. Now this note said my wife and the stranger had left and had taken my son. Oh, I wonder if God up in heaven only knows what the stranger has done. May I sleep in your barn tonight, mister? It's so cold lying out on the ground, and the cold north wind is a whistling, and I have no place to lie down.